Hi there, and welcome to Yarnit. Today, we're diving into how you can use the AI art feature on Yarnit. To kick things off, you can either add it to your shortcuts menu using the Add a Shortcut button or head over to the Apps section and select AI Art. In the AI Art section, you'll find various versions. Today, we're focusing on a feature we call Dream Brush. The interface is pretty straightforward. On the left side, there's a text box where you can add your instructions. For instance, let's say I want to depict a person sitting on a park bench, enjoying the sunlight while others pass by. If this prompt feels a bit too basic, don't worry. You can click the Improve It button, and our AI will refine the prompt into something DreamBrush can interpret even better. If you're satisfied with the revised prompt, just click Use This. If not, select Not Happy with This to specify improvements. Right now, I'm content with the suggestion, so I'll click Use It. Next, you can choose the image style for your output. For example, if you want an analog film look, you can select that. Additionally, if you'd prefer to exclude certain elements like feet, you can do so here. Since we all know AI doesn't always handle feet well, you have the option to choose the aspect ratio, whether horizontal, square, or vertical. Pick your desired format and under Advanced Options, adjust the shot angle, image lighting, and brand color preferences. These options are available if you've set them up in the Brand Hub. You can also use the color picker. Once everything's set, just click Generate Image. After generating, you can click the Expand button for a closer look at the image. Here, we have a super realistic park scene with many people strolling by. Once you've found an image you like, simply click the Download button to save it to your computer. And that's how you use Yarnit's AI art feature.